Yo guys, what's up? Here today, looking at some Tesla. Tesla has some really good news. You guys heard yesterday that they're accepting Bitcoin for in exchange for Teslas, and they plan to. Well, they're already operating their own node on the network, as well as they don't plan to convert the Bitcoin into fiat currency, which is really good news. This is where the entire world should be going. They're the first ones to make this step in the right direction. That's a big organization. So I really like this company. I really like Tesla. You know, guys, I've had this before. I put some options on, and here I go again. I want to put another option on here. I'm going to $6.25, $7 by the end of the day. You can't really beat that, right? So I'm just gonna say trade. Switch my account. So I got some money. I'm going to sell this put to open. Make a quick $700 or so. Well, it's already down. What the heck? All right. Make a quick $675. No. Okay. Make a quick $640. Oh, this is all swapping around everywhere. Alright, finally got a fill. So, you can see here, I got some Tesla. Where'd it go? Sorry. Alright, awesome. So it expires tomorrow. So let's hope Tesla's going to be doing well the next day or two. Anyway, I'll take the stock either way, so it doesn't really make much of a difference. I really like the company, like what they're doing. I like that they're supporting Bitcoin. That's really cool. So, all right, guys, just a quick little update on some Tesla. All right, talk to you later.